Welcome to today's Explainer. You know, as a nutritionist who is, well, totally obsessed with budget-friendly muscle building, I am here to show you exactly how to absolutely smash your fitness goals without completely emptying your wallet.
So let's just dive right into the big question here. Can you actually hit your protein goals for just $1 single a meal? I mean, most people out there think that eating healthy, and especially eating to build muscle, has to be this incredibly expensive thing. But today, we're going to tackle that myth head-on. I'm actually going to prove them wrong by showing you exactly how we're prepping a full week of high-protein lunches for a grand total of, wait for it, just $5. Yep, you heard that right. $5 to cover your entire work week. Let's go.
Section 1. Meet the Budget Kings, the Affordable Protein Toolkit.
To keep it under $1, we really have to use the heavy hitters. I like to call them the budget kings of protein. First up, we've got eggs. When you buy them in bulk, they break down to only about 15 cents each, which is crazy cheap for such great amino acids. Second, red lentils. These are literally the cheapest plant protein on the planet. And finally, canned tuna, which gives you that perfect, fast, lean protein hit.
Section 2. The $1 Power Bowl Step-by-Step Construction.
Now, we're making a spicy lentil and egg power bowl, and this is exactly how we put it together. Step 1 is the lentils. For just 30 cents, we boil them up with a bouillon cube for that punch of flavor, and boom, that's 18 grams of protein right there. Step 2, 2 eggs. For another 30 cents, we hard boil and slice them up, adding another 12 grams of protein to the mix. Step 3, we grab a handful of frozen spinach for 20 cents because we've got to get those essential vitamins in. And finally, step 4, a small 20-cent portion of rice for those clean carbs your body really needs for recovery. Which brings us to Section 3, the nutritional payoff, analyzing the macros. Now that the bowl is actually built, let's break down the cost-to-protein ratio, because this is where the magic happens. 30 cents gets you 18 grams of protein from the lentils. Another 30 cents, that gives you 12 grams from the eggs. And then 20 cents each covers your vital micronutrients and clean energy from the spinach and the rice. You see, there is absolutely zero wasted money here. Every single cent is optimized for your health. I mean, just look at these macros. You are getting a massive 32 grams of total protein in a single bowl for exactly $1. That is literally hitting the perfect threshold to trigger muscle protein synthesis, all for $1. The final math is just undeniable here. Total cost, $1. Total calories, just 450. At only 450 calories, guys, this is exactly how you stay in a calorie deficit, lose weight, and build muscle without breaking the bank. It's simple, it's effective, and it is incredibly affordable. So I gotta leave you with this question. Are you ready for your $5 week? If you're tired of overspending on health foods, grab the exact shopping list we explored today. I've linked it right down in the description below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more budget weight loss hacks right here on DietVibe US. So ask yourself, how will you use this $1 meal prep to finally hit your goals? See you in the next explainer.